Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's conundrum is, do you want to get paid for listening to music? This is the place to be if you want to get paid to listen to music. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button and tick the notifications button for more top tips, and anytime I release a video, which is the next 30 days in a row, you will get top tips. Sorry about my little face, the camera's broken, but life goes on. The first website I'd like to show you is Unique Rewards. So if you listen to internet radio, this is the one for you. Earn cash into PayPal doing what you like to do. All you have to do is fill in the form, visit the sites, and you can also shop online and get cash rewards. Now there's a lot of ads in this, but they share the ad revenue with you. There will be one of those little capture boxes every 30 minutes to make sure that you're not a robot. Now this is not going to make you rich, but if it's playing in the background while you're doing something else, you can get 3 cents every 30 minutes. You get paid into PayPal, minimum of $20, and you can also do surveys. If you do lots of surveys in one day, you get an extra 10% cash bonus, or the ones you do today and tomorrow. The next one I would like to show you is Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie has been around forever. Let me show you. It's got 41 million people have submitted reviews. It's a really bona fide website that actually does what it says on the tin. All you have to do is you sign up here. You can actually do a music review for cash, and it pays more than the other sites. If you're into fashion and branding as well, you can get paid for other things as well as just for music. So if you're a fashion buff, take a look at this one. If you write while you're listening, so if you're listening to something for 60 seconds, get a pen, write down what you listen while you're listening, rather than just, oh my God, I've forgotten. And you have to re-listen to the same bit. You get a minimum $10 payout, and it's 20 cents a review, paid on Tuesdays and Fridays. Now, the best I've saved till last. You can get paid up to $12 a song. Yes, $12 a song with playlist push. Again, that's paid into PayPal. If you want to make a full-time income online, I've got something that I do, and it will help you with your online business, as in give you some really top tools you can use to build your business, and you can actually share the tools with other people and you can get paid for sharing this with other people. So hit the like, share and subscribe button, guys, and I'll see you next time.